Ever sent a Venmo payment, hit that green pay button, and then nothing? That sinking feeling when you realize your payment might have been declined? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Venmo payment declines. We'll cover the most common reasons why your payments might be rejected, how to troubleshoot the issue, and what you can do to prevent future declines. So, grab your phone, settle in, and let's get started. First things first, let's understand why a Venmo payment might get declined. The most common reasons usually fall into these categories. 1. Insufficient funds. This one's a no-brainer. If you don't have enough money in your Venmo balance or linked bank account, your payment will be declined. Venmo will usually notify you with a clear message stating that you have insufficient funds. Solution: top up your Venmo balance by adding funds from your bank account or by linking a new funding source. If you're paying with your bank account directly, ensure you have sufficient funds available. 2. Account limits. Venmo has limits on how much you can send and receive within a certain time frame. These limits are based on factors like your account age, transaction history, and verification status. Exceeding these limits can lead to your payment being declined. Solution: try sending a smaller amount or wait for your daily or weekly limits to reset. Verifying your identity with Venmo can often increase your transaction limits. 3. Account restrictions. If your Venmo account is restricted, you may not be able to send or receive payments. Account restrictions can be due to suspicious activity, violations of Venmo's terms of service, or security concerns. Solution: review Venmo's terms of service and ensure you're complying with them. If you believe your account was restricted in error, contact Venmo customer support for assistance. 4. Recipient issues. Sometimes, the issue might lie with the recipient. If their Venmo account is inactive, restricted, or experiencing technical difficulties, your payment may be declined. Solution: double-check the recipient's Venmo username and make sure they are actively using the app. You can also try contacting the recipient directly to see if they are aware of any issues with their account. 5. Technical glitches. Let's not forget about the occasional technical glitch. Network connectivity problems, server issues, or temporary app bugs can sometimes cause payment declines. Solution: try resending the payment after a few minutes. If the issue persists, check for any app updates or restart your device. Now, let's talk about how to troubleshoot declined payments. The first step is always to check your Venmo transaction history. Look for any error messages or decline notifications that provide more specific information about the issue. If you're still unsure, try contacting the recipient to see if they received any notifications about the payment. You can also reach out to Venmo customer support through the app or their website. Preventing future declines is key. Here are a few tips. Verify your identity. Verifying your identity with Venmo can increase your transaction limits and improve your account security. Monitor your account activity. Regularly review your Venmo transaction history to ensure all transactions are accurate and authorized. Update your payment information. Keep your bank account information and other payment details up to date. Comply with Venmo's terms of service. Familiarize yourself with Venmo's terms of service and ensure you're complying with all rules and regulations. Use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Protect your Venmo account with strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication for enhanced security. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.